In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AliExpress Seller Account. Let's walk through the entire process from sign up to launch so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening a browser on a desktop computer and heading to the AliExpress Seller Center. Using a desktop tends to reduce form errors and display issues. On the landing page, select Join AliExpress or register as a seller to begin. If you already have an AliExpress buyer account, sign in with those credentials. If not, create a new account using your email or your phone number. For smoother communication and verification, it's best to use a business email that you regularly monitor and that matches your brand or company. You'll then choose your seller type. You can register as a company or as an individual. Individual accounts can be restricted in certain regions, and approvals are more common for registered businesses. Select the option that matches your legal setup to prevent complications later. Next, enter your business information. Provide your legal business name, country or region, full business address, a primary contact person, a phone number, and an email. Make sure these entries match your official records exactly. You may also be asked to upload supporting documents such as your business registration, a valid government-issued ID, and tax information. Use clear, well-lit scans with all corners visible, and verify that names and addresses are consistent across every document. AliExpress will guide you through verification. This can include identity checks, phone or email verification, and a review of your business documents. The review period typically takes 3 to 10 business days, but it can vary depending on workload and the completeness of your submission. Respond promptly to any follow-up requests to avoid delays. After you submit everything, your application goes into review. You'll receive an email when a decision is made. If approved, you'll get a confirmation. If rejected, you'll usually see a reason so you can correct the issue and reapply. Rejections can be more common for sellers outside of China, so accuracy and thorough documentation are especially important. Once approved, log into the Seller Center and set up your store. Choose a clear, brandable store name, upload a logo and a banner that reflect your identity, add your products with accurate titles, descriptions, and images, and configure shipping and payment options for your target regions. Double-check processing times, shipping templates, and policies to ensure a smooth buyer experience. That's it. Your AliExpress store is live. Keep your information updated, follow platform rules, and maintain high-quality listings to build trust and grow your sales.